WeeHom Reversible L-shaped desk corner gaming computer desks for home office PC workstation table black. Large L-shaped desk with ample legroom 66.1 liters, x 47.2 watts, x 29.7, h 18.9 deep, 0.29.7 inch high. Large legroom underneath. Provide plenty of space to stretch your legs freely. It will provide a very comfortable seating space for the larger woman or big frame man. Space-saving design. L-shaped corner design fits perfectly in a corner to maximize your limited space. If you have multiple laptops or several monitors and still need to make room for writing, then this corner computer desk is definitely a perfect desk for you. Modern L-shaped computer desk. This desk, composed of clean line, is perfectly accented with a sleek black metal frame for a contemporary look in your space. It is a perfect addition to home office apartments, dormitory, to work as computer table, gaming table, study writing desk, crafting desk, etc. Durable sturdy wooden desk. This corner office desk is made of quality P2 class partition board and thicker strong steel frame. Bearing 450 lbs. Comes with adjustable leg pads to ensure the desk keeps sturdy even on uneven ground. Upgrade reversible L desk. This L-shaped gaming desk is designed with reversible panels, allows to switch two sides easily to meet needs of any corners. A compatible hole at the corner of the desktop, allowed to install monitor bracket, perfect for the gaming setup. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.